I'm just kicking off this quick video now to capture a couple of points from our email. And of course, one of the most important points is that the AURA methodology works well, not just for the AI technology builders. And we see in the attached competitive analysis that I attached to this email, they're quite well taken care of. The key element now is to provide for the needs of business people who understand a certain business domain, real estate, banking, retail sales, and so on, and they want to AI enable their business to operate better with AI. So the way now that we're presenting that we do this is to hook it up so that students are going to connect with a local business. And I have ways to do that, right? We can make AI search agents using Kimi. I've been playing with that in the last couple of weeks. We can identify, let's say there's a class of 20 students, we can find 20 businesses in Toronto for the students to approach and offer to provide AI business analysis, AI business process augmentation for their business, piano teacher, in-home fitness trainer, trades, right, electrician, people operating a small store. Our students will connect with, they'll find a local business. They will offer to create AI business enablement without charge. So the shop owner, the business owner is getting some beneficial value, and the student is getting a real live actual business to practice their delivery on. Because you're right when you say that you cannot teach people to do AI business process augmentation by showing them PowerPoint slides. They have to actually work with a real customer, address real needs, understand the business domain, have rapport with the customer, be able to set up something that's going to work in their world. So the basis of this methodology is that each student will find a business, right? Maybe the first couple won't want it, but they'll find somebody who wants to work with them, get the benefits of AI business process augmentation, and then actually deliver that under mentorship, right? Under Yeti mentorship to assist them. And in that way, they'll get the experience of doing this in front of a real live customer. I actually did that a couple of years at Cestar College for some of my AML 3304 classes. I had the students do that. Some of them were shy and they were, kind of not really confident enough to be able to go out and connect with a customer, but several of them did. They worked for law offices or accounting offices, or a few of them had family members who had some sort of a store or business, and they found the experience very valuable. So I know how to make that work. So anyway, when you're ready, let's talk about that. And I think this will do a good job of addressing your concern regarding how we can teach business people to understand AI well enough to augment business processes to take advantage of a existing foundation model like Claude or Grok, no programming, but going through the chat interface and assisting businesses to get the advantage of AI enablement.